है. Specifically what are there? Nazca Plate and this South American Plate. They have collided and that has led to the formation of this Andes. So which two plates are here important? Nazca Plate and South American Plate. So write it down. It is a new fold mountain. New fold mountain created because of two plates collided. Two plates collided, that is Nazca, NaZCA, Nazca Plate and the South American Plate. How many total plates are there? Major plates. Correct. Can you name? Just think, remember, it will be a revision. दो तो सामने है, नॉर्थ अमेरिकन प्लेट, साउथ अमेरिकन प्लेट. यू टेल रोहित, एनी अदर? यूरेशियन और एशियन, दे आर डिफरेंट. 7 मेजर प्लेट्स, रिवाइज करके आना. मेजर प्लेट्स मैंने लिखवाए थे स्पेसिफिक प्लेट टेक्टोनिक में. देयर आर 7 मेजर प्लेट्स, राइट? देखो नोट्स, देखो किसी ने प्रॉपर नोट्स लिखे हैं प्रॉपर अपने क्लास के? आर यू मेकिंग प्रॉपर? ओके, चलो गुड.
ऑस्ट्रेलियन, इंडियन, अरेबियन, यूरेशियन, नॉर्थ अमेरिकन, साउथ अमेरिकन, अफ्रीकन, यूरोपियन.
कितने बता दिया आपने? 7 है ना? पैसिफिक प्लेट इज देयर. पैसिफिक प्लेट तो मेजर प्लेट है. आपने इंडियन, ऑस्ट्रेलियन ये सब बाइफर्केट कर दिया, अरेबियन बाइफर्केट कर दिया. दे आर नॉट मेजर प्लेट्स. किसके पास नोट्स है? देखो लिखा है, क्या लिखा है? 7 नाम बताओ आप.
Antarctica and the surrounding oceanic plate, North American plate, South American plate, Indian, Australia, New Zealand plate.
क्योंकि because of that plate they emerge out ना, Indian and Australia, they emerge out from that plate. Okay.
Africa with the Eastern Atlantic floor plate, Asia and adjacent oceanic plate.
Okay, तो मेजर प्लेट्स आर 7 प्लेट्स ओनली. ठीक है, यू रिमेंबर देम. ठीक है, अब हम वी आर स्टडिंग अबाउट दिस. व्हाट प्लेट्स आर कोलाइडिंग हियर? नाज़का प्लेट एंड दी साउथ में. नाज़का प्लेट इज अ माइनर प्लेट एंड दिस प्लेट इज अ मेजर प्लेट. ठीक है, सो दीज 2 प्लेट्स आर कोलाइडिंग विद ईच अदर. Water bodies we have done. Now we will study about what are the physical division of. Let's write down first only physical. Mountain, major mountain chain is one only. Okay, ठीक है. Mountain major chain is this one. Mountain peaks you write. Mountain peaks इसके अंदर या मार्क कर लेते पहले. Mountain peaks you write down. हाँ, माउंटेन पीक्स मैंने रेंजेस बताया ना, अभी एंडेस बताया. फिर फिजिकल डिवीजन करते हैं. चलो, माउंटेन पीक्स. फर्स्ट वन इज अकानकागुआ peak. What we did first one, Andes was there. This is a long chain of mountains. Important peaks that we have to do is Aconcagua. Map में देखो Andes mountain में. Look at the map. ठीक है. ओजस डेल सलाडो. ठीक है, फर्स्ट वन इज अकानकागुआ, सेकेंड वन ओजस डेल सलाडो, थर्ड वन कोटोपाक्सी, फोर्थ वन इज चिम्बोराजी. मेजर 4 ही हैं. ठीक है, Major peaks are there, 4 only. Akan written? Chalo, let's look in the map. यहाँ देखो, यहाँ पे देखो नीचे, this one near Santiago, you look, Aconcagua, first one, got, above that only you will find Ojos del Salado. Santiago, you go to Santiago, above that there is a Aconcagua, then Ojos del Salado. दो याद है? ऊपर फिर इक्वेटर के पास आना. Near Ecuador you will find Cotopaxi and Chimborazo. गॉड चिम्बोराजी मैप कोटोपाक्सी मिल गया दोनों तो दी 3 and 4 peaks you will have to remember. Okay, first one is Aconcagua, second one Ojos del Salado, third one Cotopaxi and Chimborazo. With respect to these two are dormant volcanoes. ठीक है, because of they have become dormant, they have taken the form of a hill now. ठीक है, they are not erupting now. ठीक है, and these two what they are? This is the highest peak of South America. Aconcagua is the highest peak of South America. ठीक है, written this Ojos, that is the highest. It is also with respect to volcanoes, so then it is highest active volcano. Clear? Mountains clear हुए? Is it clear now? चलो. Now let's write down. Have you all written? लिख लो. What? रिवाइज कर लेते. आपको इतनी जल्दी क्यों हो जाती है? 2 घंटे की तो क्लास भी नहीं थी. टाइम कितना हो गया? अभी तो टाइम है, सफिशिएंट टाइम है. क्लास कितने बजे स्टार्ट हुई थी आपकी? 4:30 होती है. कितने बजे स्टार्ट हुई? 5. तो कितने पॉइंट्स पढ़े अभी? अभी हम साउथ अमेरिका ही तो कर रहे हैं, है ना? तो इट इज इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग. इसमें आपको इंटरेस्ट लेना चाहिए. मैप वर्क में तो मजा आना चाहिए, राइट? चलो, वी विल डू वन मोर पॉइंट. वी विल राइट व्हाट वी हैव टू राइट, दैट इज फिजिकल डिवीजन ऑफ साउथ अमेरिका. हाँ, रिवर करेंगे पहले. आप ये लिख लो, रिवर्स भी करेंगे. ठीक है। Written everyone? Write it down. 4 reasons. चलो, we will look this map में देखेंगे इसको, then we'll get to know which region we are talking about. Okay. This we studied Andes. This is the Andes rock chain, ठीक है, mountain chains. So this is the western B1 part. Second one which I mentioned, that is Western Cordillera. Second one. ठीक, the region to the west of this Andes, these are called first point. First one, physiographic division, what I have mentioned, coastal strip. Okay, western coastal strip. So the region to the west of this Andes are referred to as western coastal strip of the Pacific strip. ठीक है, this is the Andes. These are not even regions. ठीक है, it is with 8 to 80 kilometers. Somewhere it is the width is till 80 kilometers. Somewhere it is a narrow stretch of land. Okay, ठीक है, this strip I am talking about, this region. ठीक है, this portion to the west of the Andes is this first one, western strip, Pacific strip. Okay, there is a Andes mountain. और मैप में देखो, look at this map. These are the eastern Andes, ठीक है, mountain. Say these are the western Cordilleras. Cordilleras means there are chains of mountains, not a single. They are twisted and turned in themselves only. And the eastern part of this, somewhere you can see this green portion, somewhere dark, somewhere. So the width is not uniform with respect to this coastal strip. Okay, somewhere it is 8 kilometers, somewhere it is 80 kilometer width. That coastal strip, and it is near to Pacific Ocean, so that's why it is mentioned like Pacific Ocean strip. ठीक है. Now we will look at this portion. This is the other part. ठीक है. What I have written, the fourth one, fourth physiographic division, the Eastern Highland. So this region, if you can see some uplifted portions are visible, right? Brazilian highlands. This we will study highlands in furthermore also. So this portion, this eastern part of the South America is referred to as the Eastern Highlands. And the central one, this is the Rocky Andes. ठीक है. And the central one, what it is? What is the third one? Lowland, central lowland. This is the plain surface area. You can see Amazon basin and the grasslands are there. So this will be central. ठीक है. These are getting all the physiographic divisions. This is the coastal strip. This is the first one, coastal strip. Second one, this Western Cordilleras, it is located in the west of the South America. Third one is Central Lowland. ठीक है, this third one. And fourth one is Eastern Highland. Understood? Clear हुआ मैप में what are the physiographic divisions of South America? Clear? So we will study it further in the next class. अभी इसको wind up करते हैं, ठीक है? चलो, what we did today एक बार रिविजन, सबको ये समझ आया? Physiographic divisions clear हुए? Okay.